guys. So today we're going to Garden of the Gods and we're going to go on a hike. Wish us luck because I am 15 weeks pregnant, so it's going to be a little hard on my little belly, but I will take you along with me and let's go to Garden of the Gods.
Say hi to the camera, Elise. Say hi.
Hi. I got my body on me. I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
And I'm actually the one that's nice. I'm the one that... Into the city of Colorado Springs.
How's the hike so far?
Huh?
How's the hike? How are you feeling?
Great.
You sure?
Yeah. Ask me that on the way back. That's cool. Hey!
There you go. This is the place I'm talking about.
That's great.
Done it before, so.
How you feeling?
For the fact
Dying?
that I skydived, it's really not that high up.
Okay, that's pretty high. On top of the mountain. So we just got back from going to Garden of the Gods and I got some Chick-fil-A. I got Dr. Pepper. I'm not gonna drink all of it, obviously. It was really fun. I did it. I hiked how many miles?
It was roughly 4.5.
So yeah, I did pretty good. It wasn't that hard. It wasn't that hard, but I really had to use the bathroom. So that was the only hard thing about it, is having to go to the bathroom, but it was pretty easy. And then, I got this, Michelle got me a sweatshirt. I collect sweatshirts everywhere I go. So I got this one. It says Colorado Rocky Mountains on it. I am a sweatshirt collector. For every place we go, I have to get a sweatshirt. So let's see how many I'll get in Colorado. So far I have 2.
Also, she had to get Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, I was really hungry, so I had a Chick-fil-A sandwich, and then we stopped by our house to see the progress on it, and it's almost done.
It's moving along.
And then, yeah, the hike was really pretty. If you live in Colorado, you should definitely go to Garden of the Gods. It's a really pretty place, and we'll definitely be going back more often. probably not walking that long because I can't. It's a little hard on me, but yeah, it was really fun. And we're gonna go inside, take a shower, take a nap, let the dogs out. And I'm definitely taking a nap because I'm tired. But yeah, that was our day. Is there anything you'd like to say?
Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.
Bye.